At Farms.com Risk Management, we understand that commodity price risk management and sound financial advice are essential in today's volatile crop and swine sectors. Visit our website at www.riskmanagement.farms.com.
Welcome to the Farms.com Weekly Crop Report for April 8, 2011. This is Michelle Lamerin, Commodity Research Analyst for Farms.com Risk Management. The USDA April WASDE report, also known as the USDA Crop Production Report, was released this morning, April 8th. The report will be viewed by markets as neutral to short-term bearish as the USDA leaves corn and soybean U.S. balance sheets unchanged, but lowers wheat balance sheets by 4 million bushels. Let's review some of the numbers. Looking at U.S. corn production remained unchanged at 12.447 billion from the last month, as did yields at 152.8 bushels per acre. Planted and harvested acres also remained unchanged at 88.2 and 81.4 million acres respectively. The corn carryout or ending stocks is projected as unchanged at 675 million bushel versus the March 2011 report and expectations of 560 to 660 million bushel. Global corn carryout or ending stocks for the 2010-2011 marketing year are estimated lower by 0.7 million metric tons from last month to 122.4 million metric tons. Global 2010-2011 corn production is higher by 1.16 million metric tons to 814.94 million metric tons as projected production in Brazil and the Ukraine rose. Looking at U.S. soybean production is estimated at 3.329 billion bushels, unchanged from last month. Planted and harvested acres were also left unchanged from last month as well. The U.S. national soybean average yield was unchanged at 43.5 bushels per acre, while U.S. soybean carryout and ending stock levels were pegged at 140 million bushels, unchanged from last month versus expectations of 122 to 150 million bushel. Global soybean production is pegged at 260.97 million metric tons, up 2.57 million metric tons from last month, while the projection for the 10-11 marketing year for global ending stocks or carryout is up to 60.9 million metric tons from 58.33 million metric tons last month due to a larger Brazilian crop. And looking at U.S. wheat, all U.S. wheat production and yields remain unchanged from last month. U.S. wheat ending stocks are estimated at 839 million bushel, down 4 million bushel from last month at 843. This compares to expectations of 835 to 893 million bushel. Global 2010-11 wheat production is 0.42 million tons lower at 647.18 million metric tons versus last month at 647.6 million metric tons. Global ending stocks are projected at 182.8 million metric tons, up 0.9 million metric tons from last month, with increased stocks in Canada, Ukraine, and Russia. The latest USDA April WASDE report will be viewed by markets as a non-event. Even though the market was expecting lower 2010-2011 corn and soybean ending stock projections, when in fact they were unchanged from the March WASDE report, corn, soybeans, and wheat all traded higher today, with the July 2011 corn futures contract actually reaching a new contract high. That's all for today. Have a great weekend.